Assalamualaikum, it's Bushra Munir here with another video. In the previous lecture, we have discussed why I have chosen Python. Then I discussed what is data structures and its types and why we use algorithms and on what factors efficiency of the algorithm is based on. Proceeding further, now today we'll discuss the bubble sort, which is the simplest sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent elements if they are in wrong order. Bubble sort, sometimes referred to as sinking sort. Alright, this is what the theory is about, and proceeding to its code. We'll use Python PyCharm. If you haven't this IDE, you can also go online using REPL.lit and some Jupyter.book. Proceeding to its code, let's start without user input. We are doing without user input. Bubble sort program. Here we are passing list as a parameter, and this def means we are creating a function in Python. We can choose any other variable here. I'm using pass name. You can just use simply I, J, K or any other variable. Taking the list length here in the parameter. For I in range, here I've taken I and I'm running the loop till the outside pass name, passing its range as pass name. If list ith index is greater than the index of and this index of the next one, then what we need to do is we need to perform the swapping. We'll move our nlist ith index into temp, then I plus 1 index in n list of I index. That's the most simplest code without user input. Nlist, sorry. Stamp. And that's here the function is complete. Taking the list, I've taken 14, 46. You can take any kind of number. So here the list is this. Now performing the bubble, so what we do, pass our function here with the above given parameter, passing this list in the parameter. So we'll print the list we can also let us know before sort and after sort. After sort, alright. Before sort. Here we'll print our list before sorting, and we'll sort the list here. After sort, our list will be printed, hopefully. Let's run this. Alright, we have before sort 14, 46, 43, 68, 34, 23 and 1, as we have passed here. After sort 1, 14, 23, 34, 43, 46, 68, it's perfectly working. Let's discuss its dry run procedure. Performing the bubble sort dry run, that how it is sorting our list. Let's take a simple example: 5, 1, 4, 2, 8. Right. In the very first pass, what will happen? It will compare 5 and 1. So, as 5 is greater than 1, so we'll swap. Right. In the first pass, this all is working in the first pass. Then our sorting will proceed to 5 and 4. Swapping will proceed to 5 and 4. It will take 1, 4, 5, 2 and 8. As 4 is lesser than 5, that's why it swaps. Here are swaps. Alright, then it proceeds to 5 and 2. Since 5 is greater than 2, so what it will do? 1, 4, 2, 5 and 8. Proceeding forward, now it will compare 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Since 5 is lesser than 8, so there will be no swapping. 1, 4, 2, 5 and 8. No swap. Alright. Now there will be second pass. Second pass. We'll take this list now. What we'll do now, we'll compare 1 and 4. We are comparing 1 and 4. Since 1 is less than 4, so there will be no swap and will be copied as same. No swap, no change. Proceeding forward, now comparing 4 and 2. This will swap. This will swap. 1, 2, 4, 5 and 8. Now comparing 4 and 5. No swap. Now comparing 5 and 8. There will be no swap. Alright. Proceeding to the third pass. Taking this list, Since now we'll try 1 and 2. We'll check 1 and 2. There will be no swap. Now we'll check 2 and 4. There will be no swap. Now we'll perform 4 and 5. Right? There will be no swap. In the last, we are just checking that whether our list is now sorted or not. Now we'll compare 5 and 8 since our list is now sorted. Alright. We learned simple implementation of bubble sort in Python where we compare every element with every other element and swap their positions to ultimately sort the array or the list of numbers. But in the majority of cases, while using bubble sort technique, the array gets sorted, the list gets sorted before the completion of all the iterations. So why bother wasting time waiting for our loops to end? So what we'll do next, we'll modify our code. By what doing? By introducing a flag to check if swapping is happening. If not, we break out of the loop because the array is now sorted. Firstly, we'll do with the user input, then we'll proceed. We were about to do the user input way, and the bubble sort that our list would be of not the defined one. We are taking on the runtime. So what we'll do for that, we'll ask from user that how many length you want to give for his list. Alright, we're creating our list. With the name mylist. Alright, now for user input, number is equals to we'll convert it to the integer and will now append it. Mylist start append function will add the elements we are giving in number will be appended in mylist number. Okay, now we'll print what list we have. User input. Alright, same program will be run here. Before sort mylist, and I'm passing here mylist. Let's see how will it work. Asking for enter length of list. I'm giving it 5. Enter number in list. Now here what numbers we wanted to insert he is asking for. Let's suppose 5, 1, 4, 3, 4 and 8. 5, 1, 3, 4, 8, the numbers entered in the list. Before sort, sorry, I haven't. Alright, so after sort 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, it's completely sorted. This means our code is working properly. We can again check. 2, 9, 12, 101. It's working perfect. Thank you for watching.